Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, A Little Bit of Everything with Erin. Today is Makeup Monday. Today is a very special Makeup Monday because it is going to be a huge giveaway for my makeup loving subscribers. Go ahead and watch to the end of this video to see how you can get in on this giveaway. Alright guys, let's roll right into the tutorial. Okay, so a lot of you asked to do a halo look, and we're gonna do that. I'm gonna use the Blood Sugar palette again today. Again, you don't need this palette. You just need two matte colors that go together and then a shimmery color that you want to go with it. I'm gonna go really dark with this one, and I'm gonna use the color Coma, if we can get it to work. And to do a halo look, you want to place color in the outer corner and inner corner of your eyes. Coma might not want to work today. Just scratch it up. There we go. So if you have a palette that when you try to pick up the pigment, nothing comes up, I use the end of the brush and scratch it up and then take all that loose pigment that just fell off and pick that up with the brush, and now it works. And you also want to take the color to the inner corner of the eye. You want to leave a space in the middle. And then without picking up extra product, I just connect the two spots in the crease area. And then I just kind of blur out the edges by doing small circles. It might kind of look messy at first, but that's okay. Trust the process. Now you just need a lighter shade to blend that outer edge out. And for that, I'm gonna go ahead, I think I'm gonna go with Root Canal because it's kind of a lighter purple. And we're just gonna touch Coma with that and just scratch it in. And then we'll do our small circles after that. And as always, if you feel like any of that color disappeared as you are trying to blend and make it even, just go back in with your other brush and apply the color back in and then blend. So now you want to take a concealer or a primer, whatever you can use to cut your crease with, and you just want to make the area in the middle a little more prominent so that the color that you're going to place down sticks well. And with the halo eye, you want the top of that to be a little wider than the bottom. But if you mess up the shape, it's totally fine because we're gonna go back in with this shade that we used on the sides just to even everything out and clean it all up. Now you want to take a shimmer shade. I'm gonna take Effervescence in the Wonder Willow by LeLePosh collection. And we're going to take that on a flat brush, and we're just going to pack that on where we just put the primer. And this is done with a dry brush. You can wet your brush with some setting spray or use your finger. Sometimes when you use your finger for a shimmer shade, you get more of a payoff in color, and this is with any palette. See that? Now what I like to do is go back in with the very first color that we used which in my case is Coma, and just kind of tap very so lightly over that shimmer. We're just trying to blur out that hard edge we made and just kind of meld those two colors together. And you can always go back with the brush and just kind of tap over it again. That way it has a combination of the two colors and it just looks like it kind of ombre'd into each other. And just keep going back and forth with those two shades until you're completely happy with how that looks. Now, this step is optional. You can take an even lighter shimmer shade on a smaller brush. And in this case, I'm gonna take Morning, which is a white shade. And you wanna do a smaller brush because you just want it right in the center. And that way it just brings even more light to that area and just continues with that ombre effect that you're trying to go for. And then if you want to be completely extra, which you know I love to be, you can take some glitter glue and add some to your lid. And I'm gonna take Reign Supreme from the Wonder Willow collab with LeLePosh, because you know that's my jam right now, because that's my baby. How lucky did I get to get two chunkies in red? Complete accident, didn't try to on purpose. But you can do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove my tape. So you can see I got a nice clean edge, and apply my face makeup, and then we'll finish off this look. Okay, so now that my face is on, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this eye look really quick. Now, if you've watched any of my previous videos, you know that for my waterline, I like to just take the darkest color that I put on my eye and do that. You don't have to do that, totally up to you. I'm gonna go ahead and line my waterline with the deepest tone that I use. You can put white down and then put the color on top of that just to make sure it pops. You can put it on your waterline as it is. You can use any color you want. Just finish that part as you want to. And then I'm also gonna take that deepest shade and put it right at my lash line. I'm gonna take the other color that we used, which was Root Canal, and just buff that out underneath the lash line, just to make sure everything is nice, even, and blended. And then because I did the halo look, a lot of people don't put an inner corner highlight. I still like to do that. And I'm gonna go back into the Wonder Willow quad and pick up Morning again, which is that nice white color. And I'm just gonna pop that in my inner corner here. Ooh, she's blinding. We're just gonna kind of buff her out a little bit. And with that purpley color underneath, it'll change the tone of Morning a little bit. She kind of shifts into the color that's underneath her, which is so awesome. And I always like to take my inner corner highlight and bring it down into my lower lash line just a bit. Very pretty, love that. All right, so I'm going to add mascara, liner, and lashes. I'll be right back. And there is the final look, guys, with the lashes and the wing liner applied. My lashes today are Cherries on Top by Ice Cream Lashes. I will link their website down below. Code Willow will save you 15% at checkout. I don't make a commission. I do have an affiliate code, but I think I just earn lashes. So if you want to help me get some lashes, go ahead and use that code. Their lashes are super cute. You can use them multiple times. I just wash mine and then peel the glue off once they're clean and use them. I've gotten 10 uses out of one pair of lashes, and they're affordable, so. Do you like this look? Are you living for a halo moment? Okay, so now that we got the look out of the way, we want to go into the details of the giveaway because that's really why you're all here, right? Okay, so first things first, you need to be subscribed to my channel. You have to give this video a big thumbs up, share it if you want to. You know, that always helps me out and I love it when you do. And hit the bell so you'll be on my notification squad. So let me show you what we are giving away. I have 10 palettes for 10 winners. Yes, 10 of you will win a palette. The first one is the Lilac palette from ColourPop Cosmetics. I also have their Mint to Be. This is all the minty colors. We then have a whole kit from Profusion. This is their 12-piece eye and face kit. And that is in Pink Sparkle. From Profusion, we also have the Festival palette. Some nice fun colors in that palette. And lastly, from Profusion, we have the Mirage palette. We also have Anastasia Beverly Hills Alyssa Edwards palette. From BH Cosmetics, we have the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. From HipDot, we have the Fun SpongeBob palette. And then from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, we have the Blue Blood palette. And Alien. This one's going to be retired, so you might get your hands on it from me. So the rules are you must be subscribed to my channel, you gotta like this video, and you gotta comment down below a way for me to get a hold of you, whether it's your username on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, just a way for me to get a hold of you so I can let you know that you won. If you go to my Twitter and you follow me there, you'll see a post about the giveaway pinned to the top of my page. If you share that on Twitter and you follow me on Twitter, you will also get an extra entry. The way that we will be giving this out is we're going to have 2 random generators. The first random generator is going to select the palette. The second generator is going to select the person who's going to win. You can only win one time, but you can have multiple entries by being on my page here and my Twitter page. Okay guys, if you have any questions about any of the rules, they will be in the description box down below, but feel free to ask in the comments as well. I do try to answer comments within 48 hours. I am a busy mom who works a full-time job, but I do try to get to those as well. Anyway, I hope you loved this look. If you want to see other looks like this, leave me comments about that as well, and I will try to get to them. Good luck to everyone. The giveaway will run for 1 full week. So next Monday, all the winners will be sent emails from me to let them know that they won, and they will have 24 hours to respond. If they don't, then I will go ahead and pick new winners. All right, guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and goodbye.